Alright guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to perform a vacuum leak test on this 2006 Acura MDX. Let's get into today's video. Before we get started, I just want to run through that there is actually several reasons why you might want to perform a vacuum leak test. It could be rough, low idle, or high idle, or hanging idle, anything like that where the idle is kind of messed up but it still performs properly when you step on the gas. It might intermittently shut down on you as you come to stops or red lights or something like that. That's because air is escaping that the mass airflow sensor cannot read, and that's why the motor is running so poorly and shutting down. So let's get under the hood and I'll show you how to perform a vacuum leak test. Alright, so if your motor is anything like mine and it actually has a cover over it, you want to remove that cover and expose the complete intake manifold so that you can get all around it. Now what you would want to do is get yourself some carb cleaner or some mass airflow sensor cleaner. Both pretty much do the same thing. They have alcohol in it, which is going to raise the idle up or down when sprayed close next to a vacuum leak. So what you want to do is start the vehicle, let it idle. I'm gonna let it idle for a few seconds. And what you want to do is take this straw and this cleaner and just lightly spray it around all your vacuum hoses. Just like that. And if you hear no change inside your motor's idle, nothing is wrong. You can also go around all of the surfaces that have a gasket on it and spray it. This is why I say use a straw. You could get it into the tight areas to get the complete intake manifold. So this is the upper cap. I've already sprayed around that. Sprayed on the other side. And as you can tell, there are no leaks within my intake system. But what you would be looking for is that when you spray, you would hear a raise or a drop or the motor completely stall when you spray this next to your vacuum leak. Alright guys, it's just that simple. If this video helped you guys in any kind of way figuring out a vacuum leak on your own vehicle, make sure to hit a like, hit the subscribe button if you like videos like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.